This is our system for CarPlay. As you can see that the factory screen is displaying our CarPlay system. So we did not switch out any screen, we did not replace anything, it's just an add-on. So if you want to demonstrate how to switch back to the factory screen, you can use the info button, just press and hold. And you can see here that we still keep the factory infotainment system. So for the factory infotainment system, you're always going to keep that. So when it comes to the backup camera, all the original stuff that's in this side of the screen, you will never lose that. Since we are still keeping the original factory system, that means that you still keep the factory reverse camera. If you can show the reverse camera for us. Do you see how like you still keep all of that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you still keep the factory system and whatnot. If you can please raise up the volume.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see here that you still use like the volume controls. Also the steering wheel button, you can use the volume for that as well.
Oh,
and
nice.
if you want to switch songs, you can use the factory screen or the buttons as well.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, so regarding that, let's go ahead and how familiar are you with Siri?
I'm pretty familiar.
Okay, so you can use Siri for navigation. Just say, hey Siri, take me to In-N-Out or something.
Hey Siri, take me to In-N-Out.
One option I found is In-N-Out Burger on Park Avenue in Tustin.
That's pretty cool.
Less than 2 miles to your south, and it gets 87% positive ratings. How about that one?
You can use Siri to call someone. If you want to go ahead and call someone.
Hey Siri, call Cole.
Which phone for Cole Furukawa?
New
Mobile or home?
Mobile.
Calling Cole Furukawa. Mobile.
So yeah, that's for Siri. You can also use Siri for like to like not only make phone calls for navigation, but you can also use it to send text messages. So yeah, I think that's it for now. That's good.